Point number 4, a partner making for the purpose of business any payment or advance beyond the amount of capital means partner has given a loan beyond the advance beyond the amount of capital. Capital से भी मैं ज्यादा दे रहा हूं. Hello, we have decided to start a partnership. 10 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 10 lakhs we have to bring in. I am bringing 15 lakhs. Am I bringing more than the capital? Then whatever more than the capital I bring, that is now treated as loan given by the partner to the firm. And on that you will get how much in the partner was given the loan, and this 6% is compulsory as per the Partnership Act. If nothing is mentioned, also 6%. But if something is mentioned as 7%, 8%, then 7% or 8% will be given. Is that clear? देखो उधर क्या है? Has agreed to subscribe and is entitled to interest thereon at the rate of how much? 6% per annum. And the 6% is not simple interest. It is not compound interest. It is simple interest. E ए बी सी डी. डी बोलो. अभी ये पॉइंट हमने अकाउंट्स में भी किया है ना. ए बी सी डी. ये ड्रॉ इनोसोलेटरी ये no partner can demand any kind of remuneration, commission, bonus. Is that clear? Even if he is a working partner, if nothing is mentioned in the partnership. Second, profit sharing ratios are equal. Third, हाँ, इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल भी नहीं मिलेगा. अगर मेंशन किया है इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल हैज टू बी पेड ओनली आउट ऑफ द प्रॉफिट्स. फोर्थ, if the partner has contributed anything in excess of his actual contribution as capital, means beyond the capital, then on that he will get. See here, hello, एक मिनट रहो. Hello, I want to caution you all. पढ़ो sentence. A partner making for the purpose of business any payment or advance beyond the amount of capital. Any payment or advance beyond the amount of capital. Have they said loan? तो लॉ लैंग्वेज ऐसा ही ऐसा लिखने का. पंच वर्ड्स ये है. मैंने आपको अकाउंट्स में बोला कि पार्टनर हैज गिवन अ लोन, उसके ऊपर 6% मिलना ही चाहिए इंटरेस्ट पार्टनर को. वो अकाउंट्स में चलेगा, वो लैंग्वेज चलेगा. ये लॉ में नहीं चलेगा. लॉ में ऐसा ही लिखने का. अ पार्टनर मेकिंग फॉर द पर्पस ऑफ बिजनेस एनी पेमेंट, और यू कैन जस्ट राइट एनी पेमेंट मेड बाय द पार्टनर as an advance beyond the amount of capital. ये punch words है. You can change the sentence, but these punch words which are highlighted in blue should be there. Any partner who makes any payment or advance beyond the amount of capital he has agreed to subscribe, he is entitled to interest at the rate of 6% per annum. ऐसा ही लिखना है. But many people in law also what they read, sir has told no, say loan के ऊपर partner को मिलेगा 6%. वो easy understanding के लिए बोला है, वो law language नहीं है. Many people make this mistake and they get less marks. Understood? This is how you have to. I repeat once again, hear it carefully. ये sentence कैसा दिया है देखो. A partner making for the purpose of the business any payment or advance beyond the amount of capital. Nowhere they have mentioned that it is loan given, but in accounts I have explained it as what? Loan given by the partner to the partnership firm, 6% interest. Accounts में चलता है ऐसा language, law में नहीं चलता. And that is why many of them, they feel that they have written correctly, but marks are different. Obviously marks will be different because you are not writing that law language. तो इसलिए मैं बोलता हूँ practice. Law में कैसा है वैसा ही लिखना है. At least the punch words. I am not saying the entire thing. Punch words at least you please remember. Have they given loan here? Then how can you write loan? If section 13 is asked, you cannot write partner's loan will fetch him 6% per annum if the partnership deed is silent. Understanding के लिए अच्छा है ऐसा लिखना. Understood? Please make sure that this is taken care of.